How to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing on home screen. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on home screen. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp application on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap three dots at top right corner and select settings. Scroll down. Now locate option of notifications, tap on it. And here, make sure to toggle the button on for conversation tones, high priority notifications, and reaction notification. And along with that, scroll all the way down and toggle all the button on. Exit from here, launch settings on your device. Scroll down, locate apps and select that. Tap App Management. Scroll down and open WhatsApp. Tap Manage Notification. Toggle the button on for Allow Notification and make sure to enable all the notifications on this section. Now your issue of WhatsApp notification not showing on home screen will be resolved. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.